IIT Varanasi 2020. Being established in 1919, the institution we're featuring today celebrated its 100th year anniversary last year. This is also considered to be one of the most beautiful campuses. This year, it has achieved the 11th rank on the NIRF table. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we're taking a look at IIT Varanasi's student stats, courses, its performance in graduation, placements, median salary, top recruiters, the infrastructure, and of course, the fee structure. We're also comparing the performance of IIT Varanasi with IIT Roorkee, IIT Hyderabad, and IIT Dhanbad to see if it's performing on par with its peers. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and so much more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2020 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. Teaching, learning, and resources. Here, we'll take a look at IIT Varanasi's approved intake, student strength, faculty information, and financial utilizations. IIT Varanasi has an approved intake of 876 UG seats, 291 dual degree seats, and 443 PG seats. This shows that IIT Varanasi takes in a similar number of students when compared to its peers. This institution has 5,063 engineering students across all years and across all programs, which is almost similar to most of its closest competitors. To cater to these students, IIT Varanasi has a total of 353 faculty members, out of which 96.6% of them hold a doctorate. With this, IIT Varanasi has a faculty-student ratio of 1:14. This ratio is lower than the other IITs of the same range. Last year, over 36 professors from IIT Varanasi have received highly reputed national and international awards for their research and performance from various government agencies. With the guidance of the award-winning faculty team, 54 students also won various international awards for their research, innovation, and design. When it comes to capital expenses, IIT Varanasi has spent over 23 crores, out of which 42.3% was spent on purchasing new lab equipment. Other institutions also have invested in lab equipment as well as the creation of capital assets. Over 258 crores was spent as operational expenses, and a huge portion of this went towards the salaries of the staff. Other institutions have also spent most of the amount on the salaries of their staff as well as on the maintenance of academic infrastructure. Considering all of these, IIT Varanasi has scored 72.34% in teaching, learning, and resources, which contributes to 30% of the overall NIRF score. Research and professional practices. In this parameter, we'll see about IIT Varanasi's PhD students, patent details, and the funds received through various projects. IIT Varanasi published 25 patents last year, and no patents have been granted in recent years. We can see that IIT Varanasi has performed better than its competitors. With a total of 139 sponsored projects, IIT Varanasi has received over 16 crores as sponsored research funds. With 1,073 consultancy projects, it has received over 11 crores in consultancy funds. IIT Varanasi has a total of 971 students pursuing their PhDs, and 51 scholars have graduated with a PhD, which is a bit lower than its competitors. With this performance, IIT Varanasi has scored 47.77% in research and professional practices. Since this contributes to 30% of the NIRF score, we can see that this is where they have dropped points. Graduation outcomes. Now let's check out IIT Varanasi's graduation outcome, placement stats, and salary packages. UG. IIT Varanasi offers 10 UG courses. While looking at IIT Varanasi's UG program, among the 757 final year UG students, 754 students graduated within the minimum stipulated time. This gives a graduation percentage of 99.6%. From these graduates, 35 students have chosen to study further. Upon looking closer, IIT Varanasi's graduation percentage is better among other institutes of the same range. Among the 719 students eligible for placements, 699 students got placed in various companies, achieving a placement percentage of 97.21%. These placed students were given a salary package of 13.6 lakhs per annum. Both the placements and the salary packages offered are better than most of its close competitors. IIT Varanasi's performance in both graduation and placements has also improved when compared to the previous year. Dual degree. IIT Varanasi offers 14 dual degree programs. Considering the dual degree program, out of the 197 final year students in the dual degree program, every single one graduated within the minimum stipulated time. From this number, 13 students opted to study further. IIT Varanasi has performed better in this segment than any other institution. Among the 184 students eligible for placements, 180 got placed in various companies, achieving a placement percentage of 97.82%. These placed students were given a salary package of 15.25 lakhs per annum. Both the placements and the salary packages offered are better than its peers. IIT Varanasi's performance in both graduation and placements have improved when compared to the previous year. IIT Varanasi also offers 36 PG programs. For the detailed analysis of its PG performance, please visit the link in the description below. Recruiters. Tech giants who hire students from IIT Varanasi are Google, Facebook, Caterpillar, Deloitte, IBM, Microsoft, Morgan Stanley, Britannia, and many others. With this, IIT Varanasi has scored 77.77% in graduation outcomes, which contributes to 20% of the NIRF score. Outreach and inclusivity. Now let's see how diverse IIT Varanasi's campus is. This will impact your experience and exposure that you receive on campus. Out of the total 5,063 students studying across all years and all programs at IIT Varanasi, 1,328 students are from Uttar Pradesh, 3,735 students are from other parts of the country, and no students are from abroad. Just like other similar IITs, this institution also has a high number of students from other parts of the country, making it one of the more diverse institutions. The overall student count includes 90.48% of boys and 9.52% of girls. Considering all of these factors, IIT Varanasi has scored 56.07% for outreach and inclusivity, which contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Perception. In this parameter, let's look at the perception of this institution from the public and its peers. Just like other IITs, IIT Varanasi is also one among the sought-after institutions in the country. With this, IIT Varanasi has scored 53.49% in perception from the public. Perception contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Comprising all of the scores under various parameters, IIT Varanasi has attained an overall score of 62.54%. Admission. IIT Varanasi admits students to UG and PG programs through JEE Advanced and GATE scores, respectively. Since it is one of the top institutions in the country, aspirants are expected to have a really good score. Location. IIT Varanasi is located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. The nearest railway station is the Varanasi Junction, which is 11 kilometers away. The nearest airport with international connectivity is the Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport, which is 32 kilometers away from the institution. Campus life. IIT Varanasi's campus spreads over 1,300 acres. This is higher than the other institutions of this range. IIT Varanasi offers a wide range of facilities for its students, including modern classrooms, laboratories, hostels, and various other facilities. There are also recreational facilities like cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, and tennis. Kashi Yatra is the annual cultural festival of IIT Varanasi. It is North India's largest cultural festival and extends over 3 days. Every year, over 70,000 students from 350 colleges participate. TechNex is the annual technical festival of the institution, which helps students to showcase their technical knowledge. Fee structure. The approximate fees for UG students is Rs 1,21,465 per semester, which is more or less similar to its peers. Please note that the fee structure mentioned is subject to variation. Approximately, one pays around Rs 9.71 lakhs as an overall fee. The median salary offered to placed students is 13.6 lakhs per annum, which means that you can earn back your fees in less than a year. Upon looking at all of the facts and the performance of IIT Varanasi, a few of the picks from this institution are better placements across all programs. The salary package offered to the placed students here is higher than that of its peers. Graduation percentage has shown good improvement when compared to previous years. So there you have it, that's all you need to know about IIT Varanasi. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.